The meeting brought together stakeholders, directors and partners not only to review the performance of 2024, but to pause and reflect on 6 decades of resilience, service and transformation in Uganda's banking sector.
One of the key pillars for us in terms of our sustainability and ESG is financial inclusion for all. And one of the ways that in which we can partner to bring this goal to life is through the mobile money operators. But however, in areas where we can compete and where we have a competitive advantage, we actually take that competitive advantage. And some of the areas is we are really backed by a strong balance sheet. And one of the ways that we can even extend a bigger credit, for example, facilities that the mobile money operators will not be able to extend.
The meeting revisited key moments such as its 2004 listing on the Uganda Securities Exchange.
We had a stellar year. We grew profits. We grew the asset base, we reduced on debts, and we have paid a dividend higher than last year. We paid a dividend of 20 shillings, 0.09 cents per share. We also had profits of 72 billion shillings, and we have regained our position of being one of the top 5 banks in the country.
The bank has also adapted to the complex regulatory and market landscape in Uganda.
The business is tough. And the only way companies survive in this business is if you have strategies which allow you to be resilient, allow you to adapt, and allow you to continue, remain focused on the strategy of giving back to the stakeholders value.
Over 27,000 smallholder farmers were trained in financial literacy and entrepreneurship.
One of the things that we are really big at and good at is agency banking. And one of those, what you're calling kiosks, are actually little extensions of the bank whereby you can offer necessary banking services to the community that is there without necessarily having to establish a branch. For example, at our agent point, you can deposit, you can withdraw, you can pay your utilities, you can pay your school fees. So those are some of the services that we allow our extensions, who we call agents, to be able to offer where we don't necessarily have branches.
So that UBC News.